Hi, so this is the makeup I've done today. Considering summer is close by, so my layers have become even lesser. In winter, somehow a few days I used liquid foundation, but for daily makeup, I always avoid it. I like skin looking like skin because for daily makeup you don't always have a professional light in front of you, or a ring light, or a filter. You don't have a filter in real life. So if your skin looks like skin, take care of your skin and then do your makeup. So I've done my makeup, but before that I did my skin routine, which is already there in a video. Then I've done this look with very less layers and just normal room lighting that I'm sharing with you guys. And here's the tutorial. As you all know, I have dry skin, so moisturizing is very important. Although I've moisturized after my shower, I've done my skin routine, I'm still going to add some more before makeup, and this vitamin E cream is definitely one of my favorites. I can sometimes put blush and makeup right on top of it, again based on the fact that I have dry skin. Just massage it well into your face and neck and then start your makeup. I'm going to just mattify the top of my eyes with my Studio Fix. You can use any powder of your choice. I'm not using concealer or liquid foundation. Now every eyeshadow palette has a neutral color. A neutral color is something like this. It could also be skin tone based. This is a little grey tone based, which I really like. And I'm using the PAC 204 brush, which is a soft brush. I'm going to soon do a post on brushes, which will make your life much easier. Anyway, so while contouring the top of my eyes, I'll just go up till my crease line. And if you have hooded eyes, just take it a little further up. Now here I'm going to use just a little powder in case there's any product or eyeshadow that has fallen on my face, but nothing else on my skin. I've taken a brown coal, it can be any brand of your choice, and I've very slightly or very thinly, whatever you'd like to call it, lined my lower lash line. And I'm not really smudging it out, I'm just keeping it simple so that there's a bit of definition. I do the makeup in front of harsh light so that I'm able to see everything, but it looks very different in real daylight or room light. Set your eyebrows with a gel and complete your eye makeup with a good mascara. While I apply my mascara, let me tell you, some very special posts are coming up, which is going to make your life really easy. One, as I said, is going to be about my favorite brushes. There'll be options you can choose from, and also I'm going to do a new video on a basic makeup kit list. That makeup kit list is not going to be very elaborate, it's just the basics, and on top of that you can always add products of your choice. I had used a lip balm before makeup. My lips tend to dry up a lot. Anyway, I'm going to use, as usual, my new lip liner to prime my lips so that my lipstick stays a little longer. Now I'm using the lip liner Vino by MAC. You can use a similar color of any brand because I'm going to go for a nice bright pink lipstick. When you don't want your daily makeup to look very heavy, yet you want it to kind of stand out, with a light makeup, a bright lipstick looks really nice. Here I'm using a pink because it was right in front of me, but you can use anything. You can go for an orange, you can go for a red, you can go for any bright lipstick of your choice that suits you. A nice cheek tint or a blush is a must for me. If you have oily skin, go for a powder blush. If you use your blush nicely, it kind of contours your face on its own and kind of lifts it. If you apply it where I'm applying it, a little on your temple area as well, and the leftover I put onto my nose. Just like that. I think it looks cute. So my makeup is pretty much done. I don't think for a daily makeup or daytime makeup one needs more than this. This way my skin looks like skin. I mean the texture. It doesn't look like I've painted it or layered it. Like I said, life doesn't have a filter. So looking natural is something that really rocks.